Hey, so I thought I would record one of my projects. I do a whole bunch of projects and usually don't record them. But I thought I'd show everyone how to do this. Hopefully it turns out well. This is just a basic heatsink. I had started to just kind of smooth down the small bit of edges that you can see. But yeah, so basic heatsink, pretty small. And my plan is to take a bunch of these high CRI LEDs and get them onto here, and then try to put a couple batteries on here as well, something like this maybe. We'll see, and maybe put a dimmer on it after all too. We'll see what we can do. So I'm gonna start out here by grinding these away right here, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna start that now. Okay, so as you can see, I start off with the hand tool, and that was going really slowly. So I switched to the main saw and started getting some of that cut out there. I think I did a pretty good job. I cleaned it up a little bit more with the hand tool, just off camera, and then I took an orbital sander. I think it was 120 grit sanding, but you probably could have done it with steel wool or hand sander, whatever. I just smoothened this out just a little bit more here, and even though it doesn't look too smooth, it really is quite smooth all around. So now I think we can lay the LEDs down with some thermal compound and get them to stick to that. In fact, I think we might be able to just do the stick. We'll try that. Maybe smear a little bit of grease around. Okay, I wanted to make sure that that you all saw that I used this thermal tape. Basically, it's just it's thermal tape. I got it on AliExpress, I believe. I'll leave a link to exactly where it is. But that's what I used to put the strips down. Alright, so that was quite a bit of soldering and cutting out the wires. I always find that's the hardest part, is getting pieces of a wire. I'm not very good at that yet. Just having pieces of metal show through the wire. If you want to do a different way, you can. I just thought that would be the cleanest way to keep it all together. I want this to be something that I can, you know, that can be pretty portable, and you know, maybe find a way to mount it or something so I can use it as a video light or just a light of any sort. You might be able to tell some of the LEDs, see, these seem a little bit lighter than these three. For some reason, I don't know how, but I must have gotten them mixed up. I believe these are 4000K instead of the 5600. I'm just gonna go with it. It'll be probably 4,000 ones, and the rest of them 56. So it'll be just a tad bit warmer, probably 5200K. Won't be a big difference, and especially if I put some kind of diffuser over it after, some kind of wax paper or something like that. We'll see. Now I gotta figure out what I'm doing here. Not so sure yet. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I think it's gonna be 4 of these 18650s, and then some sort of small BMS so that I can charge it, and also try to put a dimmer on here as well. It'll be quite a bit to fit all onto here, but you know, we'll see how it goes. So